Dear Masterminders, I'm currently here with Andrew Funk, the president and founder of Homeless Entrepreneurs. And for all of you who have been part of our mastermind community during the last years, you know that we're collaborating very closely with this very precious and amazing NGO. So Andrew, can you just give us one or two sentences? What are the Homeless Entrepreneurs exactly?
Well, a homeless entrepreneur is someone who's willing and able to be empowered out of their state of homelessness. They actively participate, they want to work, they want to participate in society, and they want to be able to have a home just like you and I.
Absolutely, and I think it's a very important mission. Some of you are here right now in Dubai at the Mastermind workshop, where we all know that money goes by very fast, and I think it's very important that we can also do something really powerful with money. Like for example, we did in Ibiza at our workshop in 2023. So what did we do in Ibiza, Andrew?
Well, we raised funds and we were able to empower 2 people out of homelessness through stage 1 of the HELP program. So I think we're going to be able to speak with one of those people.
That sounds amazing. Let's totally do that. Well, here we are. I'm really thankful for you, Ismail, that you came all the way to the studio. Mm-hmm. First of all, thanks so much, man, for coming all the way here.
Yes, you're welcome.
Why don't you present yourself a little bit?
Yes, my name is Ismail Addafe. I'm from the Gambia, but now I live in Spain, Barcelona. Yeah.
Nice. How old are you?
Now I have 43 years now old. Nice. 43 years old, yeah.
And what's your profession? What is it that you do for a living? What is your job? What is your career? What is your impact on life?
Okay, my impact in life before I come here, I'm always a tourist taxi driver in the Gambia before coming here. Mm-hmm. But after I get married in Gambia, then I come to Spain. But after on, then I divorced with my wife. Okay. Then from there, the things start hard. Since I divorced, then the things are not easy, but now I thank God now. Okay. Yeah.
I mean, these are things that can happen to everyone, right?
It can happen to anybody, yeah.
You're in a marriage with your wife, you also have a son, right?
Yeah, I have a son also, yeah. I have a son, 7 years old now.
7-year-old son, then you get divorced. Yeah. And then what happened? You basically ended up on the street, right?
Yes, I'm ended up with it. No, I visited my father passed away.
Your father passed away?
Yeah, in the Gambia. Then I went for the burial. Then before I come back, my wife said, if you come, you cannot stay in the house. Wow. That's how the things goes. Yeah. That's why I be in the street. You know what I mean?
It's amazing. Yeah. That's really, wow.
You know what I mean? But life goes on.
So you go from being in a marriage with your wife and your son, your dad dies. Yeah. You go to the burying of your dad. Yeah. And you want to come home and your wife says, man, you cannot stay with us.
Yeah, you cannot stay with us. You know what I mean? We came the house, so you cannot stay with us. Wow. So that's where I've been in the street.
For how long have you been on the street?
Yeah, it's a little bit long time, Then from there, I meet a lady in Terasa who gave me the name of the foundation. Mm-hmm. Then I linked with him, then we start talking, then many things happened then. Because that time I didn't have work, I didn't have nowhere to sleep. Then they helped me to pay the house, then helped me to go and I have a work somewhere, I didn't have money to go there. They pay me the ticket also for going there and give me some pocket money also for me to live before have my salary, So it was good foundation. They help people because me, myself, they helped me, so yeah.
It's really, really amazing that this organization could
the organization is important, and me also, I'm talking with people about the foundation also. When I meet people, I tell them about the foundation. If they want to help or they want to do something with the foundation, yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing your story.
Yeah, you're welcome.
So we're like a marketing community of many entrepreneurs, and we want to help more people like you that are in a really not so easy situation and come to a more stable situation. So can you give us more details on how this help actually works? So you said you get some pocket money, you get some help with the finding a job.
I have the ticket from the boss. They pay the ticket also from here to Murcia. Yeah, so it was good.
And for how long did you work with the organization, more or less? So how many months did homeless entrepreneurs help you already? So is it like 2 months
It's
ago,
about,
like a year ago?
it's about a year ago, eh?
A year ago.
Yeah, a year ago, yeah, a year ago. Yeah, a year ago.
And
then I have the work after all the year. You know, I mean, I was in France. I normally send in pictures, you know, we share many things because not only that, we always share pictures. Like when they help me have a work, when I go for the work, starting of the day of the work, I will take pictures, share with them, also helping me to know that also, you know, I mean, I'm trying to be, you know, I mean, perfect, you know what I mean. So it was good.
so it's also like an accountability somehow, right? So
Yeah.
you're like in a daily contact with the
Yeah,
organization,
yeah, always,
sending
yeah.
a picture, now
Yeah,
I'm at work,
yeah,
see guys,
yeah.
thank you so much,
Yeah, whatever, yeah. I
Nice.
normally do that also, yeah.
And which kind of work did you do in France?
In France that time we do fruit.
Food.
Fruit, how they said yes. Fruit in English, I don't know fruit.
But you collect fruit.
Yeah, we collect fruit and we cut the trees also. There's many different works there,
Like-
you know, you can do.
I
You
understand.
know, like 4 or 5 different works.
Like agriculture.
Agriculture, exactly. Agriculture, yeah. You know, you can work with the watermelon, salad, tomato, all the too many things you work there also, yeah. Too many things.
And if I may ask, how much money would that generate you like per month? Or I mean, you get like a contract, right?
Yeah, you have the contract, yes.
And they pay you like what, 400, 600, 800
No,
euros? How much do they pay?
it depends what the hours you work. Yes, because sometimes you can work 6 hours, sometimes you can work even 12 hours, sometimes you can even work 14 hours. It depends the area you go. Yes, because me, I was working at the watermelon site. We already work 13, 14 hours.
14
a day.
hours.
Yes,
Well,
14
then
hours.
it's more money, right?
Yeah, it's more money.
14
Then you can
hours.
have 1,600, 700, 800. You can have a month.
Wow,
Yes.
that's pretty
Yeah,
solid.
it's a good one.
From like
Yeah,
being
so-
on the street.
Yeah, from
not
the-
being-
you know
not-
what I mean?
you know, not
So
being-
it was good. It was good. And from there, then my life was good. You know what I mean? My life was good.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Since then, now I started working with this company. What's the name? Makoba.
Okay.
Makoba is in Madrasa. Yeah. Then I work with them like they give me contract for 3 months. Then I finish the 3 months. Then they give me 2 months again. Then the 2 months finish. Then me, because the place I stay in Madrasa also, they say I have to leave the house. Because the guy I'm staying with, the mother is coming from Brazil, I don't know, somewhere. So then I look for a house in Barcelona. So then I come here.
That's
Yeah.
also something I really wanted to share with the community. So homeless entrepreneurs, they have different stages, right? Stage 1 is where Ismail was like a year ago, so in a really not so easy situation. They just died. The marriage with the ex-wife is challenging. He doesn't have a place to stay. And they basically say, okay, Ismail, we bring you out of this situation. We help you to find the first job again. They bring him to France. He makes about 1,600 euros. Life is good for a couple of months. And
Couple
now-
of years, yes. Couple of years, yes.
Couple
Couple
of
of years, yeah. Couple of years.
And now, what's something that is really important to share with you guys is in homelessness, it sometimes goes up and down, right? So it was in a really difficult situation. He went up, and now, you know, the landlord says, okay, we need the house
Yeah.
again, the contract ends, and then what? You know, then you're like sort of once again in a difficult situation, and then we enter like this phase 2 of
phase two,
homeless
okay.
entrepreneurs. And here, what's the support right now? So right now you're also working with them together to find a new job.
Yes, yeah. Right now I'm working with them also. Even we have an appointment with a guy supposed to give me a work. You know, I've been waiting for him like 1 month and a half. Then, but now he said that there's a guy there who have to leave, but the guy doesn't have a house, so the guy cannot go and live in the street. I say, okay, me, I will look another work around here. But still, I'm looking for a work. When I see one, I'm gonna for it. You know, I see one already, but I do the interview. They say on the first or second I will start, but I'm not sure 100%. But it's like 50%.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's this new job that you have in Barcelona? So you come from France, working in agriculture. Now you move back to Barcelona.
Yeah, no,
and-
before I move, yeah, before,
Madrasa,
no, Madrasa, no, before I moved to Madrasa, I was in Calanda also.
Okay.
Calanda, There's one art machine there also. They work with Melakoton.
Yes.
Art machine with Melakoton. I worked there also like for 3-4 months, I think. Yeah. Then from there, then I went to I went to Madrasa, worked there for 6 months. Then from there, Barcelona then.
Well,
Yeah.
thank you very much for sharing
Yeah.
the story.
You're welcome.
To bring us also to the next level. Because
yeah.
what's your vision? What's your vision of the future? How do you envision your best possible life in 3 years, in 5 years, in 10 years? Like spending time with your son, having your own house, working what kind of job? So what's your dream? What's your dream, Ismail?
Yeah, my dream is, have more time with my son because I have a house already in Gambia.
Nice.
Here I didn't have house, but Gambia I have a house. I'm not lack of. Gambia, before I come here, I have everything.
Yes.
Before I come to Europe, I don't lack of nothing. I have all my life, everything I have. I don't beg anybody for nothing. I have everything. But since I come here, things go upside down. Since I come here, I start fresh. But in the Gambia, I have everything, Yeah, I'm no lack of nothing, Every day I can live anything I want to eat a day. I do whatever I want to do. I have gardens there in Gambia. I grow vegetable, I sell them. I do many things in Gambia before coming here. But since I come here, everything go on the ground. So I have to come up little. But now it's better now. Yeah.
So what do you think about the future where you could have everything that you had in Gambia, but having that in Europe? So having your own house, having a garden, having time with your son, like basically bringing the stability that you had in Gambia, but having that in Europe.
No, I don't think I can have it in Europe. No, I don't think it's possible. No, it's not possible. Because the culture are not the same. And me anyway, one day I will go back to my country. Because there you are more comfortable, you pay less tax, and you can make more money there than here also. If at all the system. Like for me, I'm a gardener, so I know many experience. So later on, I'm just gonna buy machines, things like that, and I go and be a farmer in my country. That's all,
That makes a lot of sense.
I just, because I have the land. I have the land already. So I'm gonna buy machines to take the water from the ground, then I grow. Anything I wanna grow, I grow. Because there, anything you put on the ground, it come out. You can grow anything you want to grow,
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, Yeah.
I think that sounds like a very nice vision. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, bro. Yeah, that's my mission now. That's what I'm thinking.
I like that.
Definitely, yeah. Because I have the land already, and I have the house where to stay, and I have the electricity there, the water is there. So it's depends with the machine to put the water out from the ground, then you grow your things,
Well, let's make it happen, I would
Yeah,
say.
you never know. Life goes on, also you never know, because you are in today, tomorrow you don't know what's going to happen, So,
Absolutely.
yeah.
Well, guys, thanks so much for listening to our wonderful interview.
Okay.
Ismail, you rock. And good luck with your vision.
Yeah, I need to, bro.
Thank you, guys.
Nice to meet you. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Nice to yeah. Bye.
Wow, that was a really inspiring story of Ismail. I'm really touched and really thankful that our community had this amazing impact on his life. And Andrew, people are here in Dubai right now. What can we do?
First, say merhaba, right? Speak a little bit of Arabic. Besides that, what I think we need to do is let's repeat, and even better this time. So I'd like to challenge you all to help 3 people this time. Let's make it happen. All of your donations ensure that people like Ismaila have the opportunity to be the best version of themselves like you all. So we are completely aligned with MasterMind and everything that's happening. It gives me chills myself just to think about it. So let's make it happen. So next year, we can introduce you to the 3 people that you've helped. This year is Ismaila and Carlos. Next year, let's see who it will be. Thanks to you.
Thank you so much, guys. Let's make it happen.
Shukran.